Did you know that every photo that you've ever taken or pulled from the archives can become 3D? In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can take any memory you've captured and view it immediately in 3D, and then as a hologram on your looking glass. Our AI-assisted software can generate a depth map for any photo and give its pixels position in Z-space. This means that you no longer need to recall the 3D space of your memory. It's there for you in your new spatial photo. It's a new space for old memories. We're going from this simple 2D photo to this holographic memory in our looking glass, using our software Blocks.glass. You can access blocks from any device that supports internet browsing. In this tutorial, we'll be using our phones. First, grab your phone and we'll log into Blocks.glass. If you don't have an account already, sign up for free. It's easy. Next, after you've logged in, select the plus icon to upload your image. You'll be prompted to upload either a 3D image or a light field. Select 3D image and follow the prompt to add any photo that you want to view in 3D from your albums. Wait for a moment for it to load before selecting the uploaded image. As you can see, even on the browser, it's already a 3D image. Just wiggle the image around with your finger. And that's it. You can mess with depthiness and focus to adjust the 3Dness to your liking, and even better, you can cast it to your looking glass to view immediately as a hologram. Thanks for watching. Now you've learned how to take any photo and turn it into a hologram using Blocks.glass. We created this tutorial for you guys as we kickstart our next generation display, the Looking Glass Go, so you can see just how many holograms you already have on your phone and computer, and all the holograms you can create while you wait for your Looking Glass Go to arrive. All the real world captures brought to life in a holographic display.